Lucio USA is a semi-trailer manufacturer of dry van and container chassis, best known for the quality of their products. We have one of the largest infrastructures in the business with a total of 32 acres, which allows a large-scale production. The process is backed up by highly efficient production lines. At Lucio USA, we know that the market demands high quality. Therefore, we use the best components in the assembly of each of our trailers. Our products are designed by highly trained engineers, with final product inspections ensuring only the highest quality to deliver at the best level of consistency. Thus, achieving an exceptional product. We are Lucio USA, strength and endurance through the years.